Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some nice digital watch faces for you all to check out that's coming from Bruno Prado. And let's start off with number one. Number one is called Sector. Now Sector is definitely a great looking digital watch face, and in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, and the only difference between the two is color. Once the watch face is on, you get a nice stacked digital time, you get your day, your date, you also get your PM stamp, and right here you get battery info, you get miles walked around, you get your step info, you get your calories burned, and your heart rate, and they are inactive. So if I need to go into my battery, I can go into my battery. If I need to go into my steps, I can go into my steps. So all the little icons you got there for your step status info, you can tap into at will. Also, you get 12 colors in all, just simply double tap. Very nice, and I like the colors. Very nice. Got 12 to choose from. This is not a bad look at all. I'm going to give 2 thumbs up for Bruno Prado on this one. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number two. Now, number 2 is called Morph. It's a 12-hour watch face, not a bad look at all. Even in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit. But once the watch face is on, I do like the design that's going on right here. Looks very nice, very unique, and this watch face gives you tons of information, especially for your step status info. So up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate, calories burned, your step info. You're going to get a PM stamp with a nice digital time, miles walked around, your step goal completed. Got your little meter right here to let you know how much you've completed thus far. You get a moon phase. You get everything you could possibly need out of a watch face, and it is inactive. So if I tap right here, I can get my messages. If I tap over here, settings. If I tap right here, I can pull up where I can get an alarm. If I tap right here, I can go ahead and get my steps, my calories burned info. And if I tap right here, I could bring up some more shortcuts. So you can make a phone call, go into your contacts, messages, music. You got tons of information that you can tap into at your disposal. Not a bad look at all. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Number 3. Now, number 3 is called Pride. Pride is very nice, but yet simple. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. Not a bad look at all, but when it is on, you got a little color going on around the bezel of the watch. Not a bad look. Now, you do get a nice digital time in the center. Up at the top, you'll get a moon, and you get your date, animated seconds, the day of the week as well. It's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what date it is, but right up under the time, you're going to get all your step status info that is important to you. You're going to get your heart rate, your battery info. You're going to also get your steps and calories burned. Not a bad look, but if I tap on the moon, I can pull up my weather. If I tap right here in the center of the time, I can set an alarm. And if I tap right here, I can pull up my step status info, calories burned as well. Now, this isn't a bad look. It's simple, but I'm thinking it's very nice for an everyday work week wear. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.